This is the Hawthorne floor plan from Bloomfield Homes, a timeless design with plenty of flexibility to fit your needs. The Hawthorne is part of our Classic series with 3 to 4 bedrooms and 2,200 to over 2,700 square feet. There are several exterior elevations to choose from that all use a combination of brick and stone and showcase iconic architectural features like a bay window, wide bricked archways, and wood accents. And in select communities, you can get the Hawthorne in front or side entry configurations with options for a 2.5 or 3 car garage. As you come through the front door, you find a great open concept layout with a lot of flexible spaces. There's a dining room off the elegant entry, full of natural light. Or you have the option to make the dining room a study. The kitchen and great room are perfect for gathering, with a large island ready for bar stools. Enjoy a fully equipped kitchen with stainless steel appliances, an extra deep undermount stainless steel sink, and roomy corner pantry. The dining area includes a built-in buffet cabinet, giving you even more storage. And then there's the family room with 6 massive windows, with the entire area flowing outside to the covered back patio. Bloomfield is known for its innovative designs, architectural elements, and included luxury features. And many of those are on display in the spacious primary suite with window seating and generous corner walk-in closet. And the bathroom has a garden tub and separate shower with ceramic tile on the floor and walls. You can also make the shower larger in place of the tub. You have multiple options with the single-story layout, like 3 additional bedrooms or choose a study, sitting room, nursery, or game room option in place of a bedroom. The 2-story Hawthorne adds an extra 500 square feet and gives you a game room along with a 4th bedroom and a bathroom. And when you visit our models, be sure to check out our design center and see all of the options you can choose from for flooring, countertops, and so much more. Come and experience the Bloomfield difference in a community near you.